Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. Today we have chicken breast, blue cheese, fresh mushrooms, a dish you're going to love. The ingredients are chicken breast, white mushrooms, olive oil, salt, pepper, blue cheese, white wine, and heavy cream. Let's begin with the chicken breast first. Season with salt and pepper. Massage the chicken breast so the seasoning goes everywhere. Flip them over and do the same thing, salt and pepper and a small massage so the seasoning goes everywhere. We're going to need a pan, medium to high heat, and 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Cook the chicken breast 5 to 6 minutes on each side. While the chicken breasts are cooking, it's a good time to start chopping up the fresh mushrooms. Chop up each mushroom 2 to 3 pieces. As soon as you're done chopping up the mushrooms, put them back in the same bowl and put them to the side for later. After 5 to 6 minutes, flip them over. And this is what we're looking for, this nice golden brown crust. As soon as you cook them on both sides and they're nice and golden brown, remove them from the pan and add the mushrooms. We're going to use the same oil we were cooking the chicken breasts in to cook the mushrooms because there's a lot of flavor in that oil. After a couple of minutes of cooking the mushrooms, add some salt and carry on cooking for another couple of minutes. Now it's time to add the white wine. Cook the mushrooms until they absorbed all the wine. After the mushrooms absorbed all the wine, it's time to add the heavy cream. After the heavy cream, add the blue cheese. Break the blue cheese down into little pieces so it melts faster. What I really like is when the blue cheese melts in the heavy cream, and the heavy cream takes on this really light gray blue color. Let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes until it thickens, and then add the chicken breasts. Let the chicken breast cook in the sauce for around a minute or 2, and then you're ready to serve. Like always, καλή σας όρεξη!